Did you know that Norwex has 3 laundry detergents now? Of course, we want a laundry soap that is great at getting our clothes their cleanest, but we also want something that's safe for our families, that's environmentally friendly and easy on the wallet. You know, some people believe, and I used to as well, more detergent will get your clothes cleaner. And that's not really true. Definitely not true with Norwex's products because they're ultra concentrated. Plus, the traditional laundry detergents, they can be laced with really harmful chemicals that are toxic to you and the environment. So we're going to get started with one of my favorites. It's the Ultra Power Plus laundry detergent. This is great. We call this UPP for Ultra Power Plus. This is a highly concentrated, superior stain fighting powder. It dissolves grease, grime, and it honestly gets my laundry super, super clean. And I'm a boy mom. Like, I have teenage boys, so all the things. It's also safe for my delicates and all fabric types. It works in all water temperatures, which is great because I like to do a lot of loads on cold or tap cold. It's environmentally friendly. It gets clothes super clean. And because we're only using a little bit, we're saving money, but also helping to improve sustainability efforts because concentrated formulas like UPP, they require less packaging and fewer surfactants that are released into the water, so they rinse out cleaner. And overall, it's just much more energy efficient and very conserving. UPP is made with biodegradable ingredients. It contains only environmentally friendly water softeners. It can be used in both like a conventional washing machine and a high efficiency. It's safe for septic systems, which is fantastic. I seem to have more and more customers who are on septic systems, and that's a big problem, is finding a good detergent that's safe. I've also found that less is more with Ultra Power Plus. I used to use 2 to 3 teaspoons per load in a regular washing machine, and now I only use about a half a teaspoon per load because we have a high efficiency. How amazing is that, right? And it's also a great multi-purpose product. I use just a few sprinkles of this in like a mason jar with warm water. I clean my jewelry, makeup brushes. I even use it in the carpet shampooer, instead of that expensive like carpet cleaning solution, which also contains loads of chemicals that are definitely not good for our home or our health. So love the UPP. It really has, I've seen some big improvements. So we're going to move on now and talk about the liquid laundry detergent. This actually got a new formula a few months ago. It was already awesome, but now it's even better. It's 97% bio-based. It cleans all types of fabrics. It works well in all water temperatures. It reduces odors and organic stains. The liquid is more than 10 times more concentrated than most leading brands. So this one bottle effectively cleans up to 230 high efficiency loads and 115 conventional loads. This is really designed for like an active family. It has a unique formula that's very concentrated, and it harnesses the power of enzymes. Enzymes deliver like a potent effectiveness against your toughest laundry stains and odors. Think of this. Enzymes are found in nature. They act as catalysts to break down like tough organic matter. They're like little Pac-Men that go in and eat away a certain organic matter. And enzymes are really the catalyst, and the function is very similar to the way enzymes work within our bodies, quickly helping the body to break down starches, fats, proteins, making, that being very similar, it makes us very effective at removing all types of stains and problems. The enzyme power boosters also reduce strong odors and tough stains. Like, it worked for me great, like dairy, chocolate, berry stains, gravy, coffee. I spill coffee all the time. Tea, oils, even grease, like my husband's like greasy work clothes, makeup, blood, sweat, grass, more. I mean, you name it, like this is powerful. It's biodegradable, USDA certified, and 97% bio-based from plants and other renewable resources. It actually has one of the highest ratings on the market, and it's also very safe for septic systems. I like hand washing items with this, and again, you can use it in all water temperatures. I love the liquid laundry detergent. Let's face it, like as a busy mom of teen boys, it solves a lot of my problems. It tackles odor in their athletic apparel, performance wear from football practice and things like that. And I really like this pump. It consistently dispenses a pre-measured amount every time, eliminating guesswork as well as any spills and messes that I used to make. It also eliminates the problem of heavy, drippy, messy jugs that I used to use. Super effective in hard water. We have the worst hard water here, and it's available in 2 scents, so either unscented or lavender. Now the lavender option is great. It's scented by natural essential oils. Plus, this smaller packaging means that it's less packaging waste, and this bottle is recyclable. Now we're gonna move on to the newest one, which is our Eco Wash laundry detergent strips. These are super powerful, plant-based. They reduce stains from dairy, chocolate, coffee, tea, grease, makeup. I mean, the list goes on and on. It's free from all the harmful ingredients. It's biodegradable, a plastic-free packaging, and it comes in this environmentally friendly cardboard. Now, the Eco Wash detergent strips is super concentrated and lightweight, smells so good, has an ultra convenient way of doing the laundry. It's USDA certified, 60% bio-based, and they're tough on stains, odors, and grime, and with no harmful chemicals or waste from like plastic packaging. They're really gentle on the environment. Now, one package contains 72 high efficiency loads. It comes in a fresh blossom scent, which is also scented by essential oils. It kind of smells fresh, floral, slightly sweet. It's really great for delicates, hand washing. The plastic-free container is just great for travel. I just throw a couple of these in my makeup bag, great in all water temps. And honestly, my family can come up with some pretty formidable laundry challenges. So at home and when we're on the go, stains from foods, juices, grass, ground in like grime, even the funky odors from teenage boys are all part of the norm here, right? But the harsh ingredients in some detergents, while they might be effective against tough odors and stains, they're really not exactly safe for our families. Or are they environmentally friendly? Plus, bulky containers, right? Like the jugs and like the detergents I used to use, they really only add to the ever-growing burden of plastic waste in our laundry room and in the environment. So let's talk a little bit about why these are safer. These have plant-based power boosters. They reduce tough odors, stains like I mentioned, also sweat, grass stains more, super eco-friendly, very concentrated. It's a liquid-free formula. Smells so good, by the way. Biodegradable. It has a low sudsing formula, which is actually good. And they're non-irritating and have been allergy tested. The natural essential oils provide a really great scent. And they're free, just like our other detergents. They're free from all the harmful stuff. The SLS, SLES, phosphates, chlorine bleach, EDTA, which is a big one, phthalates, parabens, ammonia, fillers, ethylene oxide. Optical brighteners, GMOs, no synthetic dyes, no fragrances, and definitely no formaldehyde. I love that they can be used on any type of fabric. I mean, all of it. You know, cotton, nylon, linen, you name it. And they're color safe. I can use them in cold water with my brights or cold water with my whites. It's awesome. And the strips provide a very consistent pre-measured amount every time. So it eliminates guesswork, it spills and messes, it dissolves completely in water. And I like that it's easy, right? So my teenagers can help do the laundry. You just toss this in and throw the clothes on top. And that's a major win in my book, where I can kind of show them how to do all this stuff to do. Now, we're gonna move on. I've had to deal with my fair share of stains, okay? Lots of them. It never fails. We'll go out to dinner, someone will spill, splash, or drip something on their blouse or pants or mine, which is awful. It's happened a lot. Or my kids will come inside from playing in the dirt and the grass with stains all over them. And for me, it used to be panic time because clothes are expensive, especially for like growing boys, even myself, right? Clothes are expensive. So I used to panic, but now I don't. I'll just grab my Norwex laundry stain remover. This is awesome. It contains 5 biodegradable enzymes and plant-derived surfactants. It's USDA certified, 57% bio-based, works great in all water temperatures. It dissolves stains like nothing. I mean, we're talking coffee, tea, juice, makeup, wine, eggs, cherries, berries, mustard, you know, that's a big one, blood, grease, and mud, like all the things. It's exceptionally fast acting and very effective against like most food, soil, proteins, grease stains, and even sugar stains can be tough. It penetrates and dissolves the stains and even works great. Like I had lipstick and mascara on a blouse that I lifted over my head. Worked great on that. And honestly, it virtually eliminates all protein stains together, like blood and grease. And even other things like butter, ice cream, and yogurt and mayonnaise can leave pretty tough stains. You can actually say goodbye to the ring around the collar and underarm stains for good. Like a little bit of this, they're gone. This ultra concentrated formula has a neutral pH. It's also gentle on our skin, and it's safe to use on delicates, the color fast fabrics, baby clothes, even bedding. And it's very safe for septic systems, and the container is recyclable. Okay, last but definitely not least, we're gonna talk about boosters. So sometimes we might need a little extra oomph for our laundry. So we have 2 of them. So we have our Bright and White Laundry and Home Booster. It has activated oxygen and enzymes in it. It's USDA certified and 87% bio-based. It's a bleach alternative. It will safely lift stains and odors, brighten whites, and boost your colors too, which I love. And it does it in all temperatures. It's a much safer alternative to bleach. It's an all-purpose powder. It has, like I mentioned, the active oxygen and enzymes, eliminating all the things we don't want in our laundry. And you can also use it throughout the house as an all-purpose cleaner. You would just add a teaspoon of the Bright and White Laundry and Home Booster to a 16-ounce spray bottle of water, and you would be amazed by the results. I use this on my countertops, my drawers, the cabinets, honestly, there isn't many places that I can't use this. I like that I'm able to use it on my granite. Any natural stone surface is just fine. And bleach had its time with me, right? But with repeated use, bleach weakens the textile fibers beyond the normal wear and tear. Plus, it's really corrosive, meaning it irritates and burns our skin and our eyes. Now, even bleach diluted in a spray bottle creates small droplets that are actually inhaled and cause further health problems. So the Bright and White contains 4 types of enzymes that remove a variety of stains. The enzymes are also color safe, and the oxygen boosters lift and remove the stains from like grass, dirt, pets, urine, pet urine, which is important. Our puppy is only 8 months old. I've been through that, right? Body oils, grease, sweat, all that good stuff. So I love that it's not just for my laundry, it's for my home. I love multi-purpose products. I love it. We also have them. I was looking around for it. I don't see it. I was also looking around for our microfiber cleaner laundry booster. It is in a similar container, so it's a short container like this. And the microfiber cleaner laundry booster, if you think of like doing the laundry, which I do daily, like brushing your teeth daily, The booster is like going to the dentist for a thorough cleaning every few months. The microfiber cleaner laundry booster is also a powder, and it is fantastic at deep cleaning your Norwex cloths. Our Norwex cloths work really hard, and you know, when they're used over time, they can have buildup in them. So the booster, the microfiber cleaner laundry booster, lifts that out. It also contains enzymes, which is awesome. The enzymes eliminate extremely tough odors that are down into not only our Norwex cloths, and stains that might be in our Norwex cloths, but also our clothes. And it's safe on all machine washable fabrics. And honestly, our Norwex cloths, mine tend to work better every few months if I give them a good deep cleaning with the microfiber cleaner laundry booster. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I think I covered the majority of our laundry products. There were a couple things that I didn't mention. I used to be really addicted to fabric softener, and I'm okay to admit that because I made the change. But fabric softener is actually one of the the second most toxic thing in our home. And when fabric softener or dryer sheets is heated up in the dryer, it emits something called VOX, volatile organic compounds, into the air, and when we breathe that in, it causes some severe respiratory issues. So I no longer use fabric softener or dryer sheets. I actually use these wool dryer balls, which are awesome. And if you want a smell good scent, you can just add a couple drops of essential oils. You put all three in the dryer and they bounce around with your laundry. It improves your drying time quite a bit by at least 25% and helps lift out those wrinkles and things along those lines. Just two other things and then we'll be done is the lint mitt. We have a husky, lots of lint, lots of stuff. So I like using the lint mitt. I wear black a lot too, my black sweats and things like that. The lint mitt quickly releases all those hairs. I like keeping it in the laundry room because before I put my kids' laundry in the wash, I'll get that pet hair off. And then if you do have hard water, we have really hard water here. We also make a magnet ball. Magnet balls have a 210 Gauss magnet on the inside, and actually it pulls minerals like mineral deposits, calcium, lime, all of that stuff into the center of the ball during the wash cycle, creating a softer water environment. And when you use this, you actually cut down your detergent about half. So it saves on your product as well. This is only used for top loading washers, not front loading. You don't want that ball bouncing around on the door. So I hope you've enjoyed our laundry video. Lots of information today. If you have any questions, let me know. But honestly, I've been using Norwex laundry for 30 months, like 2.5 years, and my laundry's never looked better, lasted longer, which is so important. I'll see you soon. Have a great day.